This is Clarence Lammers here. I got a little Gilson, one horse Gilson. He bought from a Martin. What was that Martin's name?
George Martin.
George Martin out of Iowa. And he had this box on that Gilson at one time, and he put a different one on there. You notice the name on that, Charles H. Wendel, Atkins, Iowa, and supposedly he had this in his collection at one time.
Yeah.
And,
Oh yeah.
and then he traded to Martin.
Yeah, George Martin up at Wakanda, Missouri.
Wakanda. Okay. Yeah. That's a nice little box yet too. It was built in 1910.
Yeah, he says it's 10, and Billy Anderson says it's a 9.
It's a 9. What he says, 4100 on the serial number on it. This is it's a nice engine. That's weird. That was in Wendel's collection too, and it got traded off. That was. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
That's Clarence Lammers, by the way. I don't know.
The old man.
The old man. See ya.